nice like that. She's sanding the body. What grit you got in there now?
80.
80, okay, yeah, she's getting it squared up. Josh, what we got? What are you sanding with now?
I'm sanding 180. I'm on my second.
You on the second coat, okay. They're getting her straightened up. How are we doing?
Good.
All right. And they're in here mixing up primer. Now they're trying to figure out how to get that on there. Let's see here. Oh yeah. All right. Do I need to step in there or we
Yeah, probably.
all right. Good job. Always let off. There you go. There you go. Bennett putting his second coat on. People, this is the first sophomore mailbox paint, first time. No pressure at all. Go for it. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, this guy's a natural. Look at him following the contour. Wow. He's coming down the other side too. And then the front and the back. Film this guy too. Here, go for it. No pressure. Okay, and now that they painted on black, some of the students said they're putting something on there. In this case, Tyler's writing his name. He's got it all taped up with fine line vinyl tape. He's cutting that out. Corey's doing well, he's doing something that's kind of neat looking. We'll give him that. And what we're doing here is, I don't know if you guys have seen those caterpillars that are yellow and black. We're working on it. That's what Bennett's doing here. No, we're gonna do this. I think we're doing it orange and yellow. Should look cool. We'll try and keep track of this as we go. But everybody's in different stages of their mailbox. How's yours going?
Good.
Good. All right. All right, Kelly. What are you doing? What are you gonna? Oh, you got to repaint. You got to paint yours. You haven't painted. Okay.
I kind of
Okay. I just said that Tyler was writing his name. Sorry, Tyler is his last name, like Steven Tyler. He doesn't look anything like Steven Tyler, but hey, will you say dude looks like a lady?
Dude looks like a lady.
There you go. Okay. Got Caden, he's working on his mailbox. What you got going here?
It's a smiley face.
It's a smiley face. All right. Got Jaden here. Oh yes. It look like Eddie Van Halen's guitar when we're done with it. Got a nice feather on. Okay. We got the hazardous waste. And Lexi, what we got here? Look.
I'm just gonna make random shapes.
You're gonna make random shapes. So here we go. Oh yeah, he's getting it. Looking good, Cameron.
Thank you.
Shoot some clear on there. You guys at home, check out the mullet on this boy. He runs cross country. You should see that just flow in the wind when he's running. It's amazing. Multicolored mailbox there. He's got quite the hairdo as well. This here's Camden. He's also known as White Feather, and he put a shout out to his namesake on his mailbox. He also can sing like a songbird. That's where the feather came from. He is amazing. Come see him in the car. They're gonna do another Christmas program. He normally gets a solo. And he also has awesome hair. Trying to talk him into putting the man bun in the front like one of those samurai guys, but we'll see. Only time to tell. Oh, here we got Lexi here. Oh, and here we go. We got Kai. She likes to play with hazardous waste. Is that hazardous waste? Isn't that what that signal is? Yeah, it's a signal. Symbol. We got Alan. He's a transfer to the class. Nice black and white stripes. Do what you just did again. Start all the way at the bottom. All the way at the bottom. There you go. There you go. And remember to follow the contour. Oh, it looks great.